So in the question we have the two identical vessels are there with frictionless pistons containing same ideal gas. So the vessels are A and B. They have same ideal gas with the same volume, that is V. The masses of gas A and gas B are Ma and Mb. The final volume is 3V. Both are heated to a same temperature. They are at the same temperature, T, let's take. And now the change in pressure in gas A is delta P and that of gas B is delta P into 1.5. We need to find the relation between Ma and Mb. So first, for gas A, we know delta P is equal to, we know delta P is P final minus P initial. P final is, first of all, we know the ideal gas equation. I'll write it over here. PV is equal to nRT. We know PV is equal to small m by capital M into R into T. From this we get P is equal to mRT by M into V. We need final, so everything is same other than the volume. So mRT by final volume is 3 mV minus initial pressure. Mass is same, R is same, temperature is same by volume is V and mass is M. So by taking LCM, we get 2 mRT by 3 mV. This is for gas A. I'm not taking the minus sign. Anyways, it will get cancelled. And for gas B, delta P is equal to P final minus P initial. Its initial mass is Mb. This is Ma and Ma. Initial mass is Mb. R into same temperature T by its final mass is also Mb, R into T, and final volume is 3V and molar mass is M minus P initial, that is Mb RT by initial volume is V and final volume is M. So this is equal to 2 mb RT by 3 mV. Sure. We know delta P for B, that is gas B, is equal to 1.5 times delta P. So 1.5 times delta P is 2 mV RT by 3 mV. And for gas A, it is delta P. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. By dividing both the equations, we get delta P by 1.5 delta P is equal to 2 Ma RT by 3 mV is equal into 3 mV by 2 mB RT. 2 MRT will get cancelled. 3 mV will get cancelled. Delta P and delta P will get cancelled. So 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3. So this is equal to Ma by Mb. This can be written as 3 Ma is equal to 2 Mv. So we found the relation between Ma and Mv. So the option is 2.